All right, so real quick, the standard form of an ellipse, when you're centered at the origin, it looks like this, okay? So you'll see that there are two formulas. The ones in blue are for a horizontal major axis, and the formulas in red are for a vertical major axis. And the only real difference between a horizontal and a vertical major axis is the location of the a squared and the b squared in the formula, okay? So when we're looking at this, a squared is always the bigger value out of the two, the a squared and the b squared. Whatever it's under indicates where the major axis is going to lie. So horizontal major axis, like the x-axis going horizontally, will be whenever the a squared value is underneath the x expression. A squared is underneath the x expression. Okay, if the bigger number is underneath the y, that means you have a vertical major axis instead. Okay. Now, if you're centered at the origin, it's nice and pretty, just x squared over a number plus y squared over a number equals 1. And the same thing's true down here. Again, just the location of the bigger number tells you if it's a vertical or horizontal major axis. Okay. Now, if it's shifted at all, you're going to see parentheses squared, and you'll see x minus a number and y minus a number. And that means that the center is at a different point, h comma k. All right, so if this was x minus 1 and y minus 2, that means the center is at 1, 2. If it's x minus 1 and y plus 2, that means the center will be at 1, negative 2. So the center is just the opposite of the number you see here and here, okay? And it is possible for you to shift horizontally only, and vertical will not shift, and vice versa. So it'll work a lot like h and k values did when we were graphing parabolas way back in first semester. Okay, so that's what standard form looks like. Okay, and next up is going to be taking a look at some graphs.